Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to automatically empty recycle bin after every restart Windows PC or laptop. Right-click Run. Type shell command startup. Click OK. Right-click New Shortcut. Copy command from description and paste it. Click Next. Rename the shortcut. Click Finish. Restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.